Wow, balloons! Orange bottle! Huh? Eh? Ah! Orange balloon. Hi, tomato. 3, 2, 1. Orange doggy. Wow, orange plane. Yay! Let's go. Bye, orange plane. Purple bottle. Oh, eh? Ah. Huh? Purple balloon. Whoa. Hi, tomato. 3, 2, 1. Purple doggy. Wow, purple plane. Yay! Let's go. Hooray! Bye, purple plane. Huh? Yellow bottle. No pink balloon. Huh? Ha! Yellow bottle and yellow balloon. Whoa! Hi, tomato. 3, 2, 1. Yellow doggy. Whoa, yellow plane. Yay! Let's go. Hooray! Bye, yellow plane. Huh? Pink bottle. Oh. Huh? Huh? Oh. Oh. Pink balloon. Whoa! Hi, tomato. 3, 2, 1. Pink doggy. Wow, pink plane. Yay! Let's go! Pink plane. Orange plane. Purple plane. Yellow plane. Pink plane. Yay!
Surprise eggs!
Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Colored eggs. Red. Blue. Green. Ghost, come! Ah! Let's play. 1, 2, and 3. Red rabbit. Red egg. Oh.
Mr. Cat was flying way up high, but he soon got into trouble. Marama, meow, meow, meow. But he soon got into trouble.
One, two. And 3. Blue rabbit. Blue egg. Oh.
Underneath the button, that Cuquin had found. Lived a little mouse. So tiny and so small. So tiny and so small. Was the little mouse.
1, 2, and 3. Green rabbit. Oh. Green egg.
Mary had